Hi guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is to help you guys do a side-by-side comparison on these two Honda models, okay? We're going to be looking at the Honda CRV and the Honda CRV Hybrid. Just to help you guys get the general basic information. If you guys want more details, a little more breakdown on the standard features and functions, check out my walk-around videos right up here. I'll be glad to show you all the cool standard features and functions from there, okay? Now let's go get the basic information right now. Hey guys, let's start from the beginning right away with the biggest question. What is the least and most expensive price range for these vehicles, okay? Well, let's start here, the least expensive to the most for your range, right there for the CRV. Now the pricing range right over here for the hybrid, there it is. Now you know, okay? Now keep in mind, this is going to totally play in effect because of the trims, all right? How they're going to equip these vehicles. So with that being said, let's talk about the trim levels for the standard CRV. It's going to start with your entry level is going to be the LX, the SE is known as the Special Edition, the EX, EXL, then the Touring is the highest trim level. Now as we do it over here for the CRV Hybrid, it starts with the EX, EXL, then your Touring is your highest trim level, okay? Now let's talk about what's underneath the hood for both of these vehicles. The CRV Standard has a 1.5 turbo 4-cylinder with the CVT. I have horsepower and torque, all that stuff right here for you. Then over here for the CRV Hybrid, you have a 2.0 4-cylinder, non-turbo with a hybrid system. I'll have all that information right there for you guys. Take a moment, look at that, okay? Now let's talk about the drivetrain options, okay? You have a 2-wheel and all-wheel drives right over here for the CRV. Now, the CRV Touring comes standard with an all-wheel drive. And then over here for the hybrid, guess what? It's all-wheel drive all the way across, okay? Now let's talk about fuel economy. I'll post the fuel economy right here for the CRVs. And then fuel economy right over here for the CRV hybrids. I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts at the end of this video, which one works best for you. Now, as you're considering this, please keep in mind, do you do more city, more highway driving, as a combination of both, okay? Now, we're also going to be taking some brave passengers with us. Eventually they'll be tagging along. Let's talk about, some space inside. How much space do you really have? Now, from there, we're also going to be talking about passenger space. And then, from there, let's talk about a cargo room. How much cargo room you're going to have for living life. So when you're living life, challenge accepted, you know you have enough space. Well, guys, at the end of this video, let me know which option you think will work best for you guys. If you guys want more additional information, more detailed stuff, check out my walk-around videos. I'm going to walk around these vehicles. I'm going to show you all the cool standard features and functions to answer your questions from there, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.